Racer X versus Dominique. Two badass Hellcats. Versus Dominique. Here we go, guys.
To another player that's in the house. Great Dominique. Tell me about the 60s, dog. Man, what's going on with the 60s?
Hey, man, I'm 15. That's what it is, man. That's all it is. Get a 15. Just get a 15 inch, man. You'll be doing what you need to do.
Woo! Straight to the back to the 60s. Dom, you weren't born in the 60s like me.
No.
Was your parents born in the 60s?
Yes, sir.
There you go.
Yes, sir.
There you go. Straight 60s, man. Hey, Dom, can you tell us about the front tire?
The front tire?
Yeah. You know, I know Snoop Dogg called you. He said, put it in the air. What about that, dog?
I put it in the air, like you said.
He put it in the air like Snoop Dogg said.
air.
Oh, weed, dog, put it in the air.
Yes, sir. Have you seen the picture?
Oh, man, I saw it. Let me see. Let's picture in picture. Ooh!
Look, John, no offense. I just don't think that it's a great idea, you know, you're going on a solo mission to save the world. That's my vote. I don't know what Pops thinks, but that's...
Take it, John.
Well...
Batei daqueles Deus miserere no quis.
What are you doing?
Praying.
Right.
Soul snatching time. Got another victim over there. 2013 Mustang GT.
Soul snatch. Man,
what you talking about? Man, Hermino.
He was running his ass off of my rearview mirror.
Hey, I couldn't find my scramble button. You got lucky.
Hey, Sal was like, come back here with my bicycle, bitch. You ain't going around the block.
I forgot to hit my nitrous button. You got lucky tonight.
I get lucky. Hey, Sal, tell us about it. Now, it's all motor, correct?
Yeah, it's an all-motor car. Herman just trying to bully me. He a big bully. I don't know why.
Hey, what kind of fuel are you running, Sal?
I run the E85.
Okay, so guys, Sal has an all-motor car running E85, and I'm gonna tell you, I ran some cars all-motor with E85 up in Pennsylvania. Stang mode, you know who I'm talking about? Sal will bust your ass, Stang mode. Excuse my language, Sal. Texas cars are faster. Why is your car so much faster than the other all-motor cars I ran with the E85?
I don't know. I don't want no all-motor car to call me up, because I know there's some of them fast out there.
Hey, motherfucker come down from New York and one of them motherfuckers talking about where y'all all-motor car at.
I know. He gonna pull up in a full old race car and say, we automotive. What you trying to do?
Hey man, I raced the dude, Sal, and he was trying to say his car was the fastest Mustang on 93 bump gas.
Right here.
Who?
He said that little red one that gave his ass the business all motor.
Which little red?
On street tires right there.
Is that the one?
Hey, look, listen.
Me on street tires? Huh?
I ain't ready, man.
Are you donating your soul?
We done backed up.
Hey, are you donating your soul to the altar?
Hey, what you want to do, huh? Hey, but on a real note,
Yeah, talk to me.
this white car right here,
Hey man, that's a straight pimp. That's a straight pimp. Hey man, that's Dom and Dim. You got Demonology and you got Dominique. Dom and Dim.
and you got Sal. I didn't know this video gonna be long as hell. Herman's gonna have a fun time ripping my ass up the whole video.
Dom and Dim, you better call Sal.
He gonna be like, oh, there goes the soul.
Right now.
Hey, next video,
Next video.
after this video comes out, where you beat Rafael, Rafael gonna bust your ass.
Ain't gonna be
He gonna pull the shoe on you.
Ain't gonna be, oh,
He gonna pull the shoe on you.
That's what I want to say.
I'm make sure he pull the shoe on you.
Rafael, we want you to pull the shoe. We want to know, do you have a backpack or is that a parachute?
That's a parachute.
No, you might be with homeboy with the dog truck.
With the little
Yeah, with
backpack.
the dog truck and the backpack. Yeah, we got to see you pull the shoe.
I'll pull it next time we line up.
Okay, next time I want
We get a
you
friendly
pull-
race again.
I want you to pull the shoe.
We'll pull
All
it
right,
out.
brother. Peace.
You did good, Ken.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.